Pallipalayam chicken is one of the rustic regional dishes from Kongunadu cuisine, hailing from a place called Pallipalayam in Tamil Nadu. This dish uses very few ingredients and really makes the chicken shine. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Let's get started. Deseed and tear 10 red chillies into pieces. Also wash and peel 15 shallots and chop 2 tablespoons of coconut pieces. Now heat up a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of oil. You can either use coconut oil or gingerly oil for this recipe. I am using coconut oil for this recipe. Once the oil is hot enough, add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the mustard seeds begins to crackle, add in the shallots. Sauté till the shallots are translucent. Once the shallots are translucent and begin to peel off like this, add in the chopped red chillies and few curry leaves. Saute this on low flame for about 2 minutes. I have marinated the chicken pieces with 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, some turmeric powder and salt overnight. Now I am adding a little bit more of salt and turmeric powder. Saute this on high flame for 2 minutes. In total, I have used about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. After 2 minutes, add in half a cup of hot water to this recipe. Now lower the flame and gently saute and combine everything well and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. The flavor of this recipe builds up only by slow cooking, so do not rush to the outcome of this recipe. Once the dish is dry and all the water is absorbed, add in the chopped coconut pieces. Continue to mix this on low flame. Once the chicken is completely dry and the coconut pieces are golden, turn off the flame. Garnish it with some chopped curry leaves. This goes well with rasam sadam or hot rice and rasam. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.